What is up, YouTube? It's BC Tech back with another unboxing of the Magellan Roadmate 2035. We just recently came back from buying this GPS, so let's take a look at what we're working with right now. Oh wait, I'll show you the back of the box. Yeah. It has a 4.3 touchscreen. It has live traffic, so you know, you're driving, you know where traffic is. Okay, so that's the GPS right here. So let's pull that out. That's that. Let's see if it does turn on. We'll take a look at that later. Let's check the accessories. What does it have? Oh, okay. So got cables, car charger. There is a USB charger in there. USB charger, I guess, for a computer to sync it, get new maps. Car charger. It's pretty big, 12 volt, I think. Yeah, 12 volt. Got the window mirror glass thing. You put it up on your car, and I guess this clicks on here. I'll do that in a second. We got manuals, a piece of paper. Okay, put the box over there. Thank you for some Magellan GPS. You get 12-month product warranty. Blah blah blah. Okay, we got that. Okay. Handbook guide thing. Oh, what's this? Special purchasing, 10% off on other Magellan products. Let's rip this off. See if this turns on. I guess not. Put that to the side. Well, I would turn it on for you guys, but I see that it's not charged. Well, I guess that's the unboxing of the Magellan 2035 GPS with newbie maps. Works in United States, Canada, and Puerto Rico. That's the unboxing.